How to manage new devices. Anytime a new device joins, you'll receive a notification. When you open the app, tap Show to get information about this new device. If you do recognize the new device, consider naming it. Tap it in the device list and replace the default device name with something that makes sense to you. Then select the device type from the drop-down list. Now when you go back to the device list, the new name and icon should appear where the default name once was. If you don't recognize it, or were not expecting any new device to join your network, you may want to block it from access to your Wi-Fi network. To do this, just swipe right and tap Block.